Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. We're on day 3 of our compound words for our story this week, Horse Heroes. So let's go ahead and jump in. And you can see that I already have our next word pulled up. Compound word here, yay, is sandpaper. Let's see what you know. We've been doing this for a couple days now, making sure that you understand how we can pick apart and put together these compound words to create new meaning, new understanding, and tons of new knowledge for that incredibly smart brain that you have. So, first word here, sand. Second word over here, paper. Take them, pick them apart. What do these two single words mean? What do they mean before we get ready to put them together and create that one new big compound word? So, sand, we know, hey, that's a loose granular substance. Probably that stuff that maybe we've used in that science habitat we've created, or maybe at the beach that we've seen. So that's familiar. That's background knowledge that we have. Paper, meaning here, well, we use that stuff every day when we take notes or when we're writing in class. It's a material made in thin sheets from pulp of wood. It's used for writing, drawing, printing on. All right, so now let's get that new compound word meaning. It is paper with sand or other abrasive stuff. That means rough stuck to it. It's used for smoothing or polishing woodwork. You've probably seen it if someone you know has sanded down rough spots in wood. Very good. You now have a new meaning for the word sandpaper. Let's take a look at our next word. It is, oh, there's that single word sand again. It is sandbox this time. I'm sure it's something you're all familiar with. That background knowledge is telling you. So let's separate it. First word we have here is sand. Now let's take a look at that second word we put over here on this column, and it's box. So we need to know what the meaning of these two single words are. So take a look at this. What is that single meaning of for sand? Yep, you got it. You read it before I did. It's a loose granular substance. So now we can move over here to box. What's our background information tell us? What do we know a box is? Yep, you're absolutely right. It's a container with a flat base. It's got sides. It's usually square or rectangular, and it probably has a lid to it. Very good. So let's put these two meanings together so that we can get a new definition for that compound word. A sandbox is a shallow box or a hollow in the ground, partly filled with sand for children to play in. You've been to a playground before. You've probably had one in your backyard. You have enjoyed probably many hours, just like my children, playing and digging in a sandbox. You guys are on it today. I am so proud of you. Check you out. Up here we are. Landmark. That's a different one, but we're going to break it down. We're going to use this right up here. We got it. So we've broken it down. We have two single words. The first one, land. Up, that second one over here is mark. We got to find out what they mean. We got to be able to put them together. So land, it is the part of the earth's surface that's not covered by water. Or it could be a country. The meaning of mark, let's look at our second one. Well, it's a small area on a surface having a different color from its surroundings. So let's put these two meanings together to get a new one. A landmark is an object or a feature of a landscape or a town that is easily seen or recognized from a distance. Can you think of any landmarks that we have here in Moundville? Do you think of anything that's popped into your mind? What about the mounds in our state park we have here? Those could be landmarks. Those are changes to the landscape. I'm so proud of you today. We only did a couple of them. They're a little bit longer, but I know that you've got this. You've done an excellent job. I'm so proud of you. And we're going to wrap these up tomorrow on day 4. Keep spelling those words, keep practicing, and I will see you tomorrow. Great job, guys. Bye-bye.